Hey there, have you ever wanted to send a bunch of emails at once but didn't know how? Let's chat about how you can use Gmail for bulk emailing. It's super easy and a game changer for staying in touch with everyone. Want to learn some tips and tricks together? So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well. So in this video, I will show you how to send bulk emails using Gmail like a pro. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and first let's know what is bulk emailing. So it's a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop whether you are sharing updates, promoting an event, or just checking in with friends and family. I will walk you through the steps to do it effectively, and I will also share some tips to make sure your emails land in the right inbox and don't get marked as spam. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just open your Gmail by clicking over here, or you can just dive into gmail.google.com and you'll find this page. As you can see, this is my account. If you don't have an account, you have just to create an account by just adding some personal information and you get started creating an account. You have just to dive first mail.google.com. If you already have an account, you have just log in, write in your email address and your password, then you get started. All right, so now that we have covered why bulk emailing is so useful, let's dive into the steps. But hey, before we do that, let me just say something. If you are thinking that it sounds complicated, don't worry, I promise I'm right here with you. So now you have just to grab your laptop and let's jump into it together. I will go through this each step and feel free to pause the video and catch up if you need to. So let's get started. So you have just right now to dive into mail merge and you'll find other page which is this one. You have just to click over create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. Once you click over it, you'll find other page which is this one. Here we have how you can create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets as well. So you have just to scroll down, you will find here the coding level, beginner, duration 10 minutes, project type, automation with a custom menu. You have just to read all this information to more understand, and I will show you how you can just click over make a copy and how you can click over here again and also this information, and then I will show you how you can create an email and you get started by creating a mail merge, right? So let's just come back. So the first one, which is here the objectives, you have here what we realize, which is understand what the solution does, understand what the application script services would do within the solution, set up the script, run the script, and if you scroll down, we'll find here how it works. Here we have you can create a Gmail draft template with placeholders that correspond to data in a sheet spreadsheet. Each column holder in a sheet represents a placeholder tag. The script sends the information for each placeholder from the spreadsheet to the location of the corresponding placeholder tag in your email draft. And if you scroll down, we'll find here set up the script. That's the important step that you have to do, which is here to create the application script project. The first step we have here, click the following button to make a copy of the Gmail or Sheets mail merge sample spreadsheet. The application script project for this solution is attached to the spreadsheet. You have just to click over make a copy and you'll find the page which is this one. But before, let's know these steps also. In your copied spreadsheet, update the recipient's column with the email addresses you want to use in the mail merge. About the third one, add, edit, or remove columns to customize the data you want to include in your email template. So also we have here how we can create an email template, run the script, review the code, modification, contributors, and the next steps as well. So we have just to come back to the top and you have to click over make a copy and you'll find a page which is this one. As you can see here, we have copy document, the attached application script file and functionality will also be copied. So we have here, would you like to make a copy of Gmail or Sheets mail merge? I will just click over make a copy and you'll find a page which is this one. As you can see, so here we have it, copy of Gmail Sheets mail merge. You can also here delete the title and you add whatever you want, and then also here we have a various option that you can use like share and other things if you want. But the important note that you have to know and that we are here, which is how you can just modify all these things and you add yours and then you click over mail merge and you get started. So here we have in the first one, which is first name, then we have last name, recipient, description, discount code, and discount amount. You have just to add the first name, as you can see, the last name, the recipient, as I said, and the description, discount code, and discount amount. About those, firstly, you don't have to modify it, which is recipient, last name, first name, and description. You have to keep it like that, and then you have just to modify this one if you want. If you don't want, you have just to keep it like that. For example, you have to click over here and you select this one and you add it like that, and you delete it, and then you add whatever you want. All right, if you want to come back, you click over here, which is Indo, and here we have it. So let's just go to Gmail and just click it over compose, and then you'll find other page, which is this one. So here we have, you have here to recipient, and then you have to add it. Then we have here the description, sorry. So we have just to add the description. Here we have, here is the discount code, and you add the discount code for this month. Then we have here hey, and you add the first name, and you come back here, I'm reaching out to send you this amount discount code. You have to subscribe to us for more existing offers. Let us know what this experience is like for you, and you come back and you click over, and you have here thank you, and then you add your name and you click over send, and you select the one you want to send it, and here we have to ask the recipient in the to file was not recognized. Please make sure that all addresses are properly formed. So we have just to add here firstly email address, and then you add here the discount code, the first name, and you get started. All right, so you can just come back right now and you add whatever I said, which is the first name here, the last name, the recipient, the description, and you add the discount code, the discount amount, and then you have to click over mail merge and you click over send emails, and you'll find a page, which is this one. Here we have a script attached to this document, needs your permission to run. I will click over OK, and you'll find a page, which is this one, as you can see. I've just to click over use another account if you want, or you can just use your email address and you get started with this one, as you can see. All right, so this is it, how you can mail merge as well. So to set up your Google Sheet for bulk emails, you have to create a new sheet with headers like name, email, subject, and a message. Fill in the rows with the details for each recipient. Using placeholder like name in the message of personalization, this structure will facilitate the mail merge process for sending emails. And that's it, how you can do that. And that's it for sending bulk emails. With Gmail is super easy once you know the steps. I hope you found this helpful and feel ready to give it a try. Remember, you can reach it out to so many people in just a few clicks. If you have any question or run into any issues, don't hesitate to ask. I am here to help. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and happy emailing. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.